Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at Bybit. We'll be looking at how you can make 50 USD or above weekly using the Bybit. But before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. First, I would like to tell you what is Bybit, how does it work, and what actually you can stake that can profit you. So Bybit lets you stake or lock your cryptocurrency coin, e.g. we have the USDT, the BTC, the ETH into an interest-bearing product. This usually multiply your fund. So each time you stake, following the instructions of the durations, then you will be able to earn something reasonable for yourself. Instead of leaving an idle fund on your wallet, or instead of trading what you don't really understand, it is important you stake and make a rational profit for yourself. There are also categories of these stakings we're talking about. We have the flexible stakings, we have the fixed stakings, we also have the automatic saving stakings. The flexible staking is when you stake and also can withdraw anytime. That is what we mean by flexible stakings. You can stake anytime and also withdraw the particular coin anytime. What about the fixed stakings, which is the second phase of the stakings? You can stake, but it cannot be withdrawn anytime, because on the fixed stakings, which is the fixed end, your particular fund must be first locked within a particular duration. It can be 7 days, it can be 15 days, it can be 14 days, it can be 30 days or more. Okay, so what about the automatic stakings or the automatic earn? It automatically places your idle assets into the best available yield options. That's what this one does. It will automatically paste or place your idle USDT or your idle fund into a particular savings or particular stakings for you. So how do you make actually this 50 USD weekly? If you stake stablecoin like USDT at a good APR, e.g. 8 to 15% annually, you can calculate weekly returns. How do you now calculate these weekly returns? To reach 50 per week solely from interest, you will need to most bigger stakes, e.g. you must take 13,000 at 10% APR. So your real yield every widely is change. So what you just really need to do is to keep staking and keep taking out your yield profit. So there are a lot of processes you can earn money using those stakings. As we said, there are fixed, there are flexible, and also there are automatic staking savings. So these three options can be used by you, and you can also earn interest using those three options. So all you just need to do is to start using your idle USDT to stake instead of leaving an idle fund on your wallet. So if you find value from this particular video, do it, subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. If there is also any topic you want me to talk about, or any particular video of your interest you want me to make, do it to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Now start using Bybit if you haven't been using that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.